Hello, everybody. This is your instructor, Mrs. Cindy Morales. I just wanted to take the time to kind of go over some things that are going to be helpful for us throughout the class time. One thing that I'm going to post in our announcements is this class signups. This is how I'm going to be able to know which students are in the COGS program, the Certificate of Graduate Study, that you want to get the Wellness Coaching Certificate, and those who are on the non-COGS format. So in the spreadsheet, if you could kindly just list like what type of student you are, either that you're a COGS and you're going to be attending the classes on Thursday nights, or if you are a non-COGS student and you do not need to come to the class. It is your option if you are a non-COGS student. If you do want to come to the Thursday evening classes, the first 45 minutes to maybe an hour of the class will be the discussion. So if you want to jump on and do the discussion live with your classmates, you're more than welcome to do so. The second half of the Thursday night class will be when we're practicing our coaching. And those students who are not going to go for the Certificate of Graduate Studies in Wellness Coaching, they could exit the second half of the meeting once we start doing the practice. So I did list everybody in our class here. Please just copy your name and paste it into whichever side of the table. And then I need you to scroll down to the bottom because each week you will have assignments to do with a classmate. Your classmate is going to be your client. I ask that you email me if you prefer for me to assign you a partner. If you'd like instead to type your name here and I'll assign you a partner, that's fine. If you do know a classmate or if you're familiar with somebody and you want to go ahead and list yourself and who that partner is in class, if you do not assign yourself a partner by Wednesday evening, on Thursday when I get back from work, I'll make sure to assign you a partner sometime that Thursday evening. Your first major assignment based on your partner's information is due this coming Monday, the 22nd of January. So please be sure to check out who your partner is on the sign-up sheet and reach out to them as quickly as possible so that way you can figure out how you're going to meet, either over Zoom or if you plan on just calling each other over the phone. And you can grab each other's information from the people part of our Canva. In addition to doing the assignment this week, you have a couple readings. So we're going to be reading the first two chapters in the Orlowski book, and we will also be reading the first two chapters in the behavior theory book. These will help you prepare for the quiz. That is going to be our first quiz on Monday, and due by Monday, I should say. And it will also help you, of course, participate in the discussion post. Everybody this week does the written DQ post and the follow-up responses to their classmates. For a little bit more information on how to respond to the DQs, please make sure that you become familiar with our weekly assignments. The last thing I wanted to point out is the video lectures. This week we have a couple of videos. If you go over to the media gallery, we're going to be responsible for watching lectures 1 and 2. And if you scroll down a little bit more, I also will have us watch the lectures A and B for this week's assignments. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me through email. And again, my cell number is 856-577-5679. Feel free to send me a text. All right, everybody, I wish you a wonderful first week of class, and I look forward to reading more about you in the discussion post.